Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi umuruburi kubwatya nabo kurigirirwa na kiro muntu.
Ndiye mono sana mwancho mulieli abwita seni Ensoko no mugorobo muyana ndeto kumera na asembeo ime yumurubili obwiki ageki umugusi asitogosanga nabagusi nabo igo batumanya ningikeli bagokora asubwo mabwabo bwakiralitko irinda kwane kebuna ngwanyorera bale engelia yabo litkulya rero mwancho mulieli nanyereri baga ligutaraga asebunge ya South Mugrango astrabe tugusanga no mugeni bw'ilitkulya rero atumanye na kyakorwa na indi ningikiri agokora oigo abekago tosemia na kitoko batokwegendereria asubugima bwaitu nchenkoro kwa Kerubo Frida gukwarigani bene tusanga asubwamo wochaka bono iga goika omwelio nyuru mwanchu mulielia ayonsi naboko yabwate gwetera sensemeri mitandao Facebook nabo igo YouTube wetera Ensoko TV kolende karansa oike tusanga asubwamo karibu sana
Mbuya mono Frida. Ensoko TV mbuya mono.
Okay. Nabo kumenya mwancho mulielia na kyokorokwa na ndi ningikeli wakora asubwimo bwabwa kiralitko.
Njenkoro kumogendi abuya tamaro gora itoginde ngisokurane aga itogiri mogendi abuya tamaro konya kurukumbene yanyu nagutwara nyamutumo kongu muntu banire matonga ngomba kigere
ndana batire nyamutumo kongu
nyamutumo kongu Frida kali minute a principled person kali ngao
kali olio bwato mutumo maba
principle dekera na bwatire principle gete ngokonye kongera na nyamutumo kongu minute.
Okay.
Nje no mwalimu indo mwalimu study trained teacher ngotinche at university kuba mwalimu lakini ndo mwalimu akoba nange kworoki university kero gwasomire goikire karengo gete abo gwanchire gosomya abana bi university ane koro mwalimu wa university ko tuli mwalimu
no mworokia
nje no mworokia
karibu sana somurubeliga
ambuya mono.
Okay, turaira nango maega keigo ngaigwa kinerete ngaigwa somete wikabona se goikire bono igasore
nche ngoira se family ndi mugaka abuya Daudi Tamaro no ngina Selina Bonaleri onsombi abuya enka antabaka asutole bono gankande atabaka Kisi County. Ase family turabana batano nomo nincho mumurabwika nkinire katikati ya abaisika batano baigoli bana nabo bankini no mwana undo wensi batari kumbikira bwanchi bonene ko bwabaisike nire ne bahati baigoli bana bonse basomete tata asomete kabapaka principal yi college au paka nonye Kisi University Kirayange College he was a deputy principal nero ringe umutangani koba the principal mumwamu asa Sombi Teachers Training College na chete mpaka Kericho nasomete Kericho masena sang ino yuntata abwate masters ku America.
Okay.
Mama nere nasomete abwa akolete nursing ya in Germany Berlin na Sunday in Germany agacha igo nikinidi abayikuri abasomo ingote abanikini rukuru asataka.
Okay.
Mbangirite skuru ao tabaka gaiga bakanduziri tabaka kindo mwana moke paka bosongo kera mambi kuri na gari ba hired for me matatu kwa kisha yamine bakabasonga naje basoma gakana hasa gakana hospital eskuri ya kabero kare sana myaka ya mutu.
Okay. Bonekera ko ari gukina ase obwana bwabo mbere mukiri kwara batanga amatuka habosyo njenta getembe umunyagitari ese njende tembo umorokia ose kwara bateote tobe buna abayibuli bawo
family turwete bagutakira abaigori bane ne family y'abarimu ikwekero nango kina na ndikinga kicho barimu mbasikire sana abo nango nyabatebanga kana inge nitake ko kina mbo mwalimu inde the principal boso mwalimu lakini na inde kinga kyango gosuka inde inkolete standard 8 ku St Mary's Mosocho so na kore kuroro kamanya kwiru skure kurukole nana karange kurukole nana onekero nekale nana ebirengera ne birabu bya chinjiti bono biga chinji kuru gutaka ko mwalimu waje gutaka ko banonye doctor osumunya byasara ego naro abana gote bari gutaka bari babone pilot barabake lakini ngachinga kiko genda bagokina kerengere biki abake ko chinji kerengere biki kya chinji ase skuru ya lenana ngia chiteke kaikerana ngikiranite ekera asogote go maine na kitenkairana nkaba umunyabyasara amo nendo teri ntangani yoko bwalimu ngana batebi umwanso njino mwalimu naro ngokorandi byasara ngabona school transite ni kayane akana sinki yigantu wati school ko kutabaka academy ne school yabanyene ego ne byasara tokokora tokunya basomi abana beito bense yakenya kora tumanyengo asikara wa site campus na kibugima wa bwaringe campus kuoro kiwaze campus ko gosoma okay ekero na korale nana narangeri tubuko chi University of Nairobi inje gosoma bakandangeri course ya BA economics I think lakini baigori bane ngakijyo umogomo ringo mungi sana university amu narongorengere limbago kerete course yo narangeri tubuko genda kokora igo bono bakataka ngenda gosomera boindi lakini na nje nkanga ngaya boindi tiniko ngikwa kanete kwenda boindi konyora ni uri story kinyinge chinga chicho ibintu byankobera abantu boindi andi nabwata bayiri bane bandi konyora bakira gusomera boindi ekero nanga bona tata gante bimono ngo kwere private university within Kenya ninyo tenga ngakora interview Baraton University ngakora bya sana ngeta bakangali rube lakini naende konyo nakora interview Catholic University of East Africa iri Nairobi narongeta okoba tori kuri family y'aba Catholic tukarra nchena mwana baigori ibyangende Catholic University atina somerete BCom ego bono byasara bidina ayo tenga teba kurulinana nganite tokora byasara ngabisomera ngakora BCom lakini kurwabo naro nake tenkamenta masomo after campus mirimo kigo senga skili ntangani kwanyorete naringene bahati karona campus bitangani naira nitinka ngataka kubwatesi kali ngataka nkabwatesi tata ko kuri byasara byo school bitangani kabisa tata mbegete NCM yekibesa asinkorona baigori bakwa kana school fees marangora nkanyora na ndombe kidensemo ya academics lakini kerongendrete ikabanga kerona rure campus korena kwamba ya kerona rure campus bakataka ngenda gosomera accountant ngongenda Strathmore College ngatiyo kokore course ya nkoro ku ACCA kerona kore ACCA naji kobanga ngokurande kabane sister yani ali ngumbu America akan sponsor ngakore course ko Oracle Oracle is a course ya IT ekrontara kora Oracle Telcom Kenya kandangiri kachiko bakorere gas korera Telcom Kenya gas ngorengere mutinyo yomo Kenya Airways ikandangiri bona under their finance department ngachiko bakorere gas ekarongendo ko kolega Kenya Airways nkorenga ngakore meeting etato ikaze nyanenero yango kolega na UN ikandangiri ko UN under attachment utakanyorera attachment UN under Oracle na IT bono no nagenda UN ngara kora attachment yani meeting etato lakini nganja UN nincho narocha abantu bakwakanu bakuparete kigari chigoro ngataka kwa UN nkoregasi lakini kasi ni yane amo n'abasani mani baganteria aya tigang'ende menta amasomo kinamentera amasomo manya gocha koirana inchi kogendera maybe UN ng'egasi ngotokeri bone keronde kwerende UN abaganteri menta amasomo kachikorwa MBA kaenda University of Nairobi. I did my MBA through support of my dad, Nerogwa Kanefis. So, kanyakora na kura na somete sana na watevia ngi tedious, I did two, whatever 2 majors, although people don't say it's 2 majors. I specialized both in finance and operation management. So I did operation management and finance. The teacherenge kokora elective courses. Abangi bango kora yeme yamara kininche kakora chomps. Ikrona kora ngaitevi nga na somire sana.
Ono gani teori yebesa.
Yebesa lakini tara yebesa ngatakanda ade nonye. Nochi wiki bere
ntumukyobongo.
Na somire sana. In the process, rimongo boka nakabukira a little bit late. Ngakirwe singora tatongole ire singi ngonya gotogita tabuja mono my dad is late. Gore ire singi ngakirwe singi ko chi UN. Oyo ngaketa kambori no wate passport. Kigema ngene kagacha igahasibanya ore ko chisuko. Yeah, so nkaminyo ka to UN and then the person I met agantebi igasinera ororo UN United Nations Development, maybe anyway, they had a job in Somalia.
Okay.
So they wanted me to go work in Somali as a lecturer. When I was at the University of Nairobi, we used to do coursework and so on, a group work, I mean, and some of the people now who were working in the UN, some had a talent in teaching group work. Akarambi yange also ni Somali. Ditangani tukakanga Mogadishu kuiru. So later baganteria ya asinara ko Puntland.
Okay.
Headquarter ya ko Garowe. So na tumitwororo kagendo as a lecturer. So they were starting a college. So I was among the pioneers in that college. So nkara oroki ngaki yuko nyoratina nyuma ni miaka ngosuka yaringi naronka nyoranga Somali antwiwana nitine ndagira antwiwana nitina culture ya bomono amana religion strictly the Islamic country. Yeah, so ngakora na barabu mwaka oyomu I resigned nkaira na Kenya.
Kora tutainga sense media Somalia challenge singi challenge na ki environment gari yaringe compared to Kenya. Ritangani
Somali, the climate is very harsh. Kiaringe riberera riningo mogaso. Na very get koweka na Northeastern Kenya, although I've never been to Northeastern. Igo mogaso mburati aringe nyo tenga kinere mbura ya chitilimo. Nonya na aringe lecturer na kaminide compound ya expatriates na ruke. Nyo tena sogete. Ngatigara nevest yoka embure intuere nkabanga abana bali abake
bakora cheze embure igoro
mupira embure garantuera nkagoka sana. In fact there was so climate then there was a bridge nearby embure inga yatu ndwe ichorete bridge itu akakani runto kogendo okoba yankorwanero na Puntland na Somaliland. Puntland is it was an autonomous state na Somaliland na Mogadishu you remain Somali. So a bridge ye las ano korangere bakanyorokire las ano means amabere na kaniti butoge ndororo. So inga kiye yunga decide nchikoronga macha ko flow ko nanya korambura. Ekaronde bridge indigreti abantu bagacha bakambwata bakanduteka alime akoneke Somali Ako no mumbori ngwatebe tubuto ocha opulani tuko mwaseka ngenga manya na very kidnapped. Lakini bahati ngia mba manyete wa friendly people mbaringe Somali from Somaliland banga kukuru Puntland abo abande nakarokiri abana babo. So bakangira bagantebe weni twagukane titoko oche bridge ye the other reason. You can easily be kidnapped na so on. Ikawa sana. Nekunekira kungia changire toko taka kuru Somali. Kana natebe abagolivane na so on. Ya changire bagateba oboba kateba kingo kore semester yo tinchi koira nerororo. So that was one challenge. A challenge ende ndaira yabo. Nyo tenga kinerororo twachete kuri ching'ini spinach twazimwete tukuri akakunywa mukuri spinach nga chimbori kera barabumono mono engamia twakalire enyama y'eng'ombe gakinere ensu yachete bakakumi twaliete ensu ya mono nonye chingo kombali kuri mono bakalire mus ne ritoke andoje ni nyonte somo mus ne ritoke na pasta ne kwerende pasta yega spaghetti, a lot of spaghetti. Amona amavere, ano, I think kanyarukire ano, amavere na ruto tuaka tumire. Ne nyama nyingi sana. So there was the feed, the religion, the climate, and also the security. Ebyo kombi achangerete, ngataka kuroro mapema. Otherwise, they were friendly people. Na nchitaka kolega sio apart from those challenges.
Okay. Wana asensema ya religion, kero gwachirororo oko tani kwa bo muislamu gose you are free maybe togende kanisa buna kwaringo mu Catholic
turuji kanisa nonya yamo yani surprising most of the NGOs chaga konyera Somali ngaki yo wa Christian NGOs lakini babo ate kanisa nonya yamo tindo kanisa ye dini ende yonsi yaba Kristo nonya yamo no mosque igonga no gusaba toga isabire tweka nyomba bose asori hoteli gusabira Sunday watu mukamba gwanje in fact toga tumikeze koru Friday ya all the way nainde tuoka kolire gasike go ikasasta mwakorire okomu mugaso nari mugaso ngutanga no ringa kogendo utaraika Kenya iko konyora saa 11:02 umugaso sofire otwangwaza amasomo mapema
bono kareza inogacha Kenya etarona cha Kenya ritangani ngachankaye gatabaka pero nange tabaka ngaringa ngabera no mutino yo mungo konyo mugaki skuru bado then naraba karandia ndigi gasi ndebono kumbate masters na so one Gama konyora na friend ya network koleke masters nere connection is good and networking oringo koro kulabani na mwate ile dieta oringo kora Barclays Bank, he was quite senior so he assured me he will connect me in the shortlisted kokorega Barclays Bank ama tukaya bakoro ka absa meninga ki Barclays Bank he assured me he will shortlist me so I was shortlisted tukachukua interview na abana bangi be university twalinga abange sana niyo tuto yetu Songo ne Kisabu I became number 2 out of very many people. I think we were more than 200. Kaba number 2 umwana geto Egerton University Ombwete lakini I used to be a lecturer so being a lecturer even bado na vinyorete Kisabu tena sone so to Cairo tukama kokorero ora interview which I passed. I started working bakataka gontuma njiko kora Barclays Bank kochigo kamba atina tagite kerona body preference ateba nitake kwenye koreida Nairobi vose Nyanza this side near home ngatumunga chikokorega Kericho that was 2007 Nagarongo korega Kericho 2007 mama itama kana ODM na Kenya ya sarigete I could hear on the ground nyencho abantu bakakwanire igoro yabagusina bayikoyo abanyeka ngo cywakeru irangiye byatoka bane hotel na meta kanya tinari cyasegete nuko naro chili flake cyango sachilate n'abantu gite bage abarukericho basically toza bagusina bayikoyo njenkobwa ngatebi manager yane ibintu binkorora tindi safe kokoregasia so na bya kamboli na nyora dako kokore na mutebi ndamamo ko ngira ida Nyamira or Nairobi tunataka kwenda Kisii kabisa. I wanted to be a little bit far from Kisii sababu nero ya Ngororo at that time lakini ndi bagari gatoka nganko igora baringe a branch Migori that's Migori County so ikara igora Migori County bakambori can you go to Migori County ngateba no problem so I went and did Migori County lakini bado 207 fracas ya political nchambwa ati Migori tikaba chinde sana I remember njia tubwatete
Paka one of our colleagues, Uncle Collegas, Oringa from that place, it was a Luo. Era karimanga na bago che bangi ega sinzutu akasieke ruwe bangi akini agakwa akaumia akatakana kwirunya gitari ndora bantu bate kuva myenya bangi tara kwirunya gitari ya ambulance ngaswa ambulance nere tokana gitari tokaranya gitari nebe safe. So when we were in the hospital, I remember there are people who wanted to be donated for blood. I donated lakini even bikabibi bemono to the point that we hired policemen or to transport to Kisii. And it is a from Migori to Kisii was rough. The roads were blocked. People were throwing stones. I remember at one point, our police were going to Niga Soka, Apole Michigan, Koselia Bantabu, Wataito to Niga Yo. Gako Paka Nachenge, Kisii was safe, Tataka Twiga. We about 4 people. Tataka Trimoki, our Land Rover, brought us here home, Tabaka. That year we slept. The following morning, Akakoba Bubande to Kisii. Even there was a Kikuyu amongst us. Aka planning a Akogena. So I left the bank 2007. Nkanga Kwiranegas. Kekabani China, I was taken for disciplinary. But Nikajieleza.
So you want to go to the
I think I was off job for about 4 months.
Oh.
Lakini never got it. When I was in Migori, I'd applied for a lecturer at Kisii University.
Okay.
I'd even done an interview, but they had not called me. So I can't na upside of one Barclays. But I decided on the Kisii branch. Barclays Bank is a branch. So that's where I worked. Paka Karonanyo Raliru, the Kisii University, that they've called me 2010 now to be a lecturer with them.
So, Ugacha Kagoso Kisii University.
One Ugacha Koko.
Ngabana yashite guikira Ugacha Kova Tabaka Academy.
Kisii University from 2010 mpaka 2015. Around 2015 Tataranta Kurwara, but I also asked for study leave. I started my PhD. I can call myself a PhD candidate. So I went back to University of Nairobi. I enrolled on PhD. I finished my coursework. I've defended my thesis up to departmental level. Lakini okoba tataanza kurwara from around 2015. Some of the time I was spending to take care of my dad. That I was the only boy. Nabona nkumwikanye because of some privacy. Kumurenda. So ekarona murenda. It somehow slowed me down with my PhD. My dad passed on the 13th of April 2019. So from there, I'm supposed to take over running of the business fully, which is the school. But luckily, my dad had prepared me from 2015 to either paka kunyaratarasira. So I take over, and 2020 Corona gacha, so there was no much activity. 2021 I resigned from Kisii University as a lecturer, and I fully got into my dad's business. The main one being the school then, and maybe in the Nkokoranga family.
Okay. By the time I take over Tabaka Academy, we established by that time we had up to class 8.
Yeah. We had done class 8 for quite some time. As I told you, I started right from, in fact, I started as an 2010 Tabaka Academy when I finished from 4. Rona Rutelenana, Amani University, Narina Kitu Estate, Enenake. So we had done class 8 for quite some time. Tabaka Academy started around 1997. So it's an old school. So around 2019 fully, we had done class 8, and in fact fully, I think the first classes CBC, our last class, 844 Tabaka Academy, it was the best performing class ever for Tabaka Academy as we were transiting into CBC 811.
Ngwatu manyiga abu ekero kware gukora kigasi ngwate bakonyora turaba bantu tumaitinga kiki bachite kwika ogasetara
So when I got back from Somali, konyotina babantu. By the way, the Somalis wanted me to marry. They even told me to convert into Islam. They even gave me the name Ali Muhammad. That's what the name they gave me. But because of the challenges I told you, they gave me. In fact, I was going to marry in a family, a very rich family. A king Vancouver. The daughters were princes, and they happened to be my students, by the way. But the family that was proposing that, but I was not keen for that life and so on. So when I came back, by the time Barclays Bank is taking me in 2007, I'd already got my dear wife. In fact, I met at 2006. So I'd met my dear wife, Umugusiari and us. We've settled with, we are together with. We've been blessed with 3 beautiful children, 2 boys and a girl. Yeah.
Okay, tetera weteragau. Trasa somonti como que gato kairana. No to manyinga kyuko manage bono tabaka academy bakaga si kiri after resigning challenge isikiri kwanyorete kwikira bona yasirikire ndiye bona sana mwanchi muri area ni gotagendete gusanga na director Tamaro kurega sense moya South Mugrango iyo gendete gotumanya igoro yikiage kyaye cyo mugosi korende toskatonyegera kwirantrasege kyaye kiribosyo erinde tobeto gusanga amange
Eye Nensoko TV uboroso bumugusi ebagote bango gose komwelio nero gose kabya maiga yokonyora mangana mange korwa segete senikia usigete Nensoko TV boni go yakirenga kingo koleta nganya sai nigonda koletro murobili kurkunga amegelio yebebelia murobili nigonda olete amuna basomba banya sai abu Australia ko batukwegera lingana sobwagale nantalia yoka nonyora matera noena masabo noboroli ntunyale ko ba tukurwa ayankira lituko liye sabato liye bande bagotebanga Jumamos abande batebanga Saturday chinsa komirebere chamambia ugweka chinsa ibere tomocha gekora nchumulisyo ngaga nabasomba banyesaye ntokoletere umurubiri lesson seseni
Mukabora ingerango oyetigosori yabarire.
We've never seen anybody win 3 in a row.
Bona omwancha omurigereria ayabune mututire bwetigosori ao nobe na kirengencho yokokokera.
Goal! Absolutely astonishing. What about that from Gareth Bale?
Ngeteseni kia Nensoko TV. Bona onge guchunchugere gokwariganiria na gokwerera tigosori ao obwekiranu. Tomocha kubwata etariki 90 Daniel Omwaga oseko gwancha nabo ogontona Erieta Suarez amagosari webegi iyokolyo keraritko olyo Jumamosi igochakera egetone gikinze sano na isato chiamogaso goika 10 chamaragoba ase omuroberi ebwe achigosori amo nabanyangongo ase na kumanyana gokorosera ayatekire ase chigosori
And he's awarded a penalty.
Mwancho murigeria Nensoko TV bakakwana bagateba chisemi na lichikoribya orobebe egati ya bari babwate na bari batabwati ase ebisako au akenerure nche Clinton ndigi gwetera segeta seni kiago Nensoko TV kochiko komanya onsi eya maseyemo ali aenekiwe ali arobere gochia konekiwa ase sector yechisemi kuregase obugatagati bo mocho Nairobi abego chi county chonsi emerongene na isano nebere ase ense ya Kenya elioko ligia komanya na ria ya agendrete ase sector yechisemi.
obutindino bosombasi amate ninki kere tokore
asama rieta ngoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ugoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Better Me ni gotogo konya abantu bari amaruna mariogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Etogo konya abantu buna umwanafunzi orenge kwende university ongere gotumia maruna mariogo yogotindi amosariri wana yaikireke wango guikaru ali. Kwanya oroyo onde orenge kwende kanisa otigire onge yakonywa mariogo yogotindi na amaru abasari. Erio twabaretaga Better Me twabarwali elinde obugima bwabo bwirane gochaso obugima obi.
Twakirishimishe namba 0706380913. Better Me Rehabilitation Center lichi buri gukora kingatale icyo butindu. Eye Nensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Karibu sana mwancho mulirya naenda sentunda ya kabere tokenda gusanga imeyo murubiri obwekyage kyomugusi korende nyira yonsi naboko yabwati agwetera sensemeri emitandao Facebook na boigo YouTube wetera Ensoko TV. Karibu naende sana. Aha tokenda gusanga bona sumurubiri gabwekyage twikira bono wachire kwa resign Kurukisi University wana gwasoire fully Tabaka Academy. Maybe nabako tutayimiro birikeri kuwa bikira sensemo ya Tabaka mpaka yabeire ke go perform bakayekira bona ya.
Umbia muno. Bono egentunde ne bahati nene sana. Umwigoli abaigoli bana bonsi na tata. Ritani kabisa na so Tabaka Academy ndi na ko standard 8. No form 4. Form 4 not standard 8. Form 4. Okay. Na tangani igonga nta kumanya obuwansu bibya service school nabatebi naro kana kora form 4 kana kora university naro na kete en kana kora masters ya rotini kitegima igokonyora nazire afa kana kora PhD yane mugaka nkurware kana nkonyora mabaga ngocha na arenge tata anyakongoroki antigire department ao anyakongoro kingaka kinguru chiko mwerera baguzi bakoteba ni kinguru chabayigori ninyare goswa andi plan ya bwateka kolegasi nganje byasara bya school nganje amasomo yogosomya abandi nande ngancenka ekera ngando mu murugweka nabona ngotaka nando somete mwige nizomete nana ngotaka kwenda komenya chitauni kinene basemenye Nairobi nanye Nairobi konyo nakolegasi ngana batebi UN Kenya Airways company kinene lakini okoba tata kitetenka korai ngaswa bono naigeteka rubada arwarite akanga kinguru cyonse no kumanage kibesa no kumanage abalimu igonje karona resign tikocha ko wanseka no tata asirire tinabwata bukungu bondo bwensi konyora na swede system kabisa yokumanya amana y'isukuru mama no arenge twango kolera segenere nere umunaso kabeire in fact anze tinasinyanye kuri Kisumu Royal ra abete Germany agacha nero bayikorete Tabaka Nyagitari Christian Mariana na Sunday akinere later agacha resign agatambuka ni school goto kanda kokorega si no mumina mama nyata taru altine school murwa ya mukonye to kurwana na ko ibinze binge paka no nyime chango menge tokore kwanda nkoranga ntokore timi changere meja potata ko baje school egente kingo kwanira mono bari abayigoli bari babate school banyara kwanira abana babo tukunyiruka succession turi kwanza mwiso kwanza succession mapema abayindi manje takokore egente konyora umwana primary wanza kumanya bono ekero kumutigere byasara bimanyite kabisa akayi nonye private schools tatana kanyirire na kina meet other directors ngomire chi workshop chi seminar to the point bono igani ncho munyakiro Kenya private schools okoba narabere nabara bakandora paka bakachakonchora ko munyakiro gotinyore ti challenges at the beginning in terms of human resource management, in terms of academics, in terms of logistics, na transportation, na bintu bindi okuba konyora omugako ngigikiri buya na manyire igingo kora. Challenges chiaringe gocha ni chiri after corona kirtata kwete 2019, 2020 na corona yacha. Maybe such are the challenges that I found. The other challenge I found in Tabak Academy was Tata Ngumogaka, Tata passed on around 86. Na wate erekonyoro ikire awazungu like ntebe self actualization asarge kurani skuru ni charity. Okay. Lakini nje kero naswa tikanguruke fresh blood then ukanyora njente kwenye running ni biashara. Igo ni biashara kuikabibe ni image gete. Igo bintu mirona atemete ko kasi aba iko after corona na kuikabonza babe ni uniform na kuikebe uniform ni school. Ikerenga kiko nyota tere tari ngo chali as long as umwana ho chaka soma school tango chali. Kwa kane fees inkaba a little bit tough. Kana taite kibe atachuku expand school kwa kana bali on time ko increase the fee, increase the fee. Ekunki agareta baigori bana bagakoreka bakamusamarera bakanyara bako tikakoreta abana. Lakini performance kagendera ko babujana indi kagendera comment kana ne biro byagenda tekoba abaigori mbayiramite inambira kina. Igo school nagenda tebya CBC gacha aba junior school the full paka grade 9.
Ngonya rete challenge go transition from the previous system go to CBE one. There was a lot of challenge. A challenge in Tangani CBC Krayachete, it was competence based education bono in the curriculum. Bono Asia ringe challenge into a get asked that was an inch weka in a private schools that were very strict on admission interview. We call okore interview on your Max get to my admitted. Karo CBC acha tukamanya it's about competence, it's about talent. Tukaira wana bande bonds. Atabo mwana ono tari understand klasi buja lakini okabari buja somo pira was farming ndo tuiro mwana. Lakini tuanyoro mwako eta grade 9 iya was competitive as class 8 nga mwarora. So admission eriko to abekera abana bande rotariko chali bona yandere ko affect private schools in terms of academic performance. Lakini ase other co-curriculum activities, competencies, but that is one too. Transitioning also needed some things like a field, laboratories. Like now I have a very good laboratory in Goitogali, I think in Kisii County. That might be among top 5 in having a very good laboratory and more the things that I'm going to laboratory in Goitogali, so we needed that. We need a computer lab. Because CBC in Tomiro Itaginge 848. So we are still transiting. Like a CBC, class senior school, grade 10. So those some challenges. Of course, the fee added, and there are some things needed. Strenuous to parents. How do you handle parents, more especially now uchumi? Maybe I know that finances, education. How do you handle such situations?
Finances, payment of fees is a big challenge for private schools. And at times we have a big bad debt to go off. We can talk about bad debt, and then bono abaigolio okonyora tokonyara koremere mono na abaigolio about the history na into that maybe they had been paying previously lakini bono babiro no bokongo so we understand bokongo na botoko banchira then imbaroro bagwakana maybe every month because of their salaried bagwakana umushahara na barabungo to understand it bale twabanchira then baroro ngatabakaiga bana byasara karabanyori cyora gite twamanyire nabo tukubanchira konya nabakoira no ngita mubera tarakana akintu baito muyigoli yoyo kutere kwakana afa bayigoli baroro bayirure nga abana bonsi mbwate no nyabane batano tabaka academy bagasoma bose school gite nabarabono mbabono bokungu gwakana okora katweta abana bonsi gwakana ale pakocho korenga kigete naro nabo tukuibwana lakini baroro barabakora okonyora itame kwera bali bye sababu ende barusi umwana afu naro me director naro najankanyora kuba in direct contact na parents amagana nye fisi teribuya mbiyobe ko muntu munga ogotendera nsemeyo nabyo bwiri bwago nabayigori bokunyara ko bobuya or deal with a professional expert kwa bikira on that land or an accountant.
Okay. Ngoba ko tell some worst experience ko iterete like that one for Somalia ya Migori. Want to check best moments. Na rubu mabwa ko ri wa te ente karo wa kenyora. Yeah, ngere
Well, Getangani, asobogi mabwane Getangani kabisa. Now when we did our last 844 class, which was a very challenging thing, mono for private schools, tera no watu amanyike mogo chukumanyuri omweso ngangu papombale. My school broke a record within the school and within the constituency, even in TC County. We performed very well. I was very happy, and to me it was a mark in for sure. Here, what I'm doing is right. So that is one of the moments that I can say that I've experienced. And of course, they might not be very major, but going through some of the challenges, masomatari raisi, mwaso inga kore hapa kuzoata mwa koro murabweka. It's not a challenge as for me, but the influence you might get from outside as abantu cause the only son na yentabo. So at times most of the only sons tend to stray away from the righteous path.
Okay. Nkonyorore abaibuli abange ngotwara bali chinga ngumu especially asogokieni abana babo nako basayibu nase ebiashara bana wateba like bunaye at an early age ekwegerete gosa but nkonyorora abaibuli mbarororo bayigimerete gose babwate ebiashara kando na abana babo batamaite basemikiora abaye.
A mistake to correct in Africa. I've seen that in many businesses because now na swede biashara ya skuru na onye biashara binde na onye chi skuru chinyinge na onye central Kenya kunyore skuru in fact group of schools kero mwigori asitide skuru echo chonse chikono abana babakana amali bosenga njiri konibu cyaba run down nonye gusiga ira skuru njiro manyete ndete kwatora ase mwigori anyori royomo okonyore skuru ge governance ande gego kuna ni skuru ya anzite kale ndende yamanyeka nete kale igo ikungovori abayigori anfa konari abana beino ebiasara obwate ngakoro kibiasara abanebya ande bibwate future ngora weka ninde biashara na succession with employment and retirement. It's about I willingly wanted to retire early. In fact, I'd said by 40 I should retire. The sababu neye imbiya mwanza kuna robole ubugimo bwa retire koromoke ko retire ngani lecture giko retire at 70 retire 70 ngana byo korengera kuchwante school nonye bono ahangu my colleague lecturers wambo liri ngaki school ko baran kine karonkoro remyaka yabo or maybe very 60s and approaching 70s nchikorengera li ejani 90 kwanze school ingambono ba kuchwante jani yo semyaka yo ngare they are going to have some difficulties. So asaba igori nonya abantu bakolera asi imya onali omwana ogo ko take over your business if it's a good business and komanya holiday chikaba gutwara tigabantu ko nonya abana bamura ngotema ndiko boroki nonye bintu bya change ngotema ndiko boroki but ultimately you don't have powers over that. It is just to introduce them. If they're lucky they love it and like it, they can run over the business chichikogendera for another generation to come.
Okay. Ubuyambororo ekere monta kuira chikosi mborobyo
chikosi ya masomo ya amasomo can talk a lot on amasomo naende mono chinga kichabono amasomo chenchiri sana engaki yeito ngwaringa assured naende before asinga kwetite line gete line inero goswapa komweso lakini wono nje kazi gete no we mu engineer we used to work with the engineers in the bank and there's no a lot of engineering. It's just the knowledge that you have. So as of course, what I can advise people, if you decided to do a certain business, school, in the for workshops, seminars, and courses related to that line. It can be a line Yamasomo, the school has many things. And to what a line Yamasomo, to what a line Chivesa, which is accountancy, to what a line administrative, and to what a line accommodation. But some of these things are in Kokoranga, Monona, Tomomari to Kabarak University. Principals were being trained on how to run schools. So these small courses, they add value to you. But as an individual, if you are going to do a certain course or a certain business, do a course and then get a business savior, it can add you. And it's not a must you go pay for it in maybe an institution. Nowadays you can do it online. Nowadays you can pay for it online, and at times even they are free online, so that you specialize. I think one is onge kenge omanye kabisa obe nchome expert keze nchome obe nchome asela imejo utagete kokora
asaba na bago bona ondinare kwa bwatire chimbara tere chichiawo
omwana ono mutangi na kora kurufongfonga kweta na mubeke nonyekera akorete standard 8 na murete te school nge tata ndetete anya kurigereri bono kanga akorete form 4 school ya nini bwate school management system nere kwenye head plus the IT department school ya nene to what the IT department again to the internet Wi-Fi into what courses robotics into what IT. I have a space program in my school. It is sponsored by some UK university, so he's in charge of that line. IT, so he's in charge of that line. I pay my salary for that. With the hope
you pay your own son.
I pay my own son. He works.
Why?
Now I have to pay him so that he also knows how to handle his money. Breakfast. So this breakfast. I pay my salary. It takes us out as a family at times. It is. I'm doing that, of course, in school. He'll be going to university, so there'll be a gap. But maybe if this memory of the school business is good, I'm going to get old. He's Chinguruchiane, so that he can come in or with a new way of managing. Nowadays, they have to manage schools from very far using the CCTV, even when they're very far, using teleconferences. So it is my hope. For you on the bad secondary, lakini from the onset on TV again tata itakokorobo gimagwa ine again tatendeke now no mwana oyo moke mono bado not lakini mwana monene na kolide go is on payroll yes school every month he gets something.
Okay. Ekarokoliya matukawisyo semia ketane rebosyo ngitranya Tabaka Academy.
My hope is Tabaka Academy is that it's my hope that I'll have improved the boarding section to the point I'm able to attract Albana not just from Kenya, but from even East Africa. Then once that has been done, I'll also want to have a senior school. Tabaka Academy, Mugaka blessed us with a big piece of land. What a potential for expansion. So if you're able to expand, first I make sure the junior school is very well, monomono on the boarding section. And then I get parents who are very supportive. I'm not saying the current parents are not supportive, they are, but I need more support in terms of early payments, of fee, and other things that we need, so that Nonye School, Kere South Mugirango, we are able to offer again to Kinkekoraka International. So it's a dream, my dream, if maybe we can have a senior school. But there are senior school kitobate around Uganda or in the Kenya private schools. Lakini might 2-3 directors that applied. Wakintina manya wote chance to Quran.
Akero kurigereria bono amasoma ya iga kuruga school ya Tabaka. Njora semi abayibuli bali school gari concerning this school.
Tabaka Academy has been a great school. Now what in school yansitale, but some of our workers recently monitoring where the Safaricom department IT was from Tabaka Academy. Is an alumni of Tabaka Academy, and nowadays is working with an Israeli company. I have people working with Google. I have people working with Microsoft. I have a number of teachers working at Tabaka Academy. Even the government, I have people working very high positions in the parastatals by Tabaka Academy. You don't be surprised that even my students from Tabaka Academy, enough of them find a scholarship to Ivy League universities in America and in the UK. So the foundation we give Amasumutokwa, it is solid, it is grounded. And my daughter is in Tabaka Academy, and not like because I have that faith and trust that what we're offering is good. She's here in grade 6. So Abaigori as Mwangu, just in Tawana, I'm going to improve the boarding section at Barare, so that we give that foundation. They are very tested over time through Mogaka and through me as a Miyake Yeganabe since 2015. Mogaka, those are 11 years since Mogaka Anganchire Koran this. So karibuni Tabaka Academy.
Ndiye mana sana sogo sangana inte, ndiye mana sana sogo twa obaseme kigima. Ndiye mana sana mwanchi muri ya kwa biriko gusangana inte kotoga cyage to murubiriga wikabonega to ikiro mwelia no basemera kwa na kwa biriko gwesomya amange ase litkolia rero kurende tumerane chinga kinde astra beto gusanga so wamo chinkorokwa kerubo Freda.